Hi everyone, myself Divya Srinivasan. This is my project, my UI/UX project called Thrive. This project is basically for young moms who are facing difficulty to find activities to engage their kids. Actually, nowadays the screen time for the kids has been increased from 4 to 5 hours. This results that 25% of kids problem thinking and their thinking ability got reduced. So, and 60% of parents facing difficulty to find the products using various social media platforms, and different platforms are selling the products, but they have a major difficulty to find the project which product is suitable for their kids, and how they will engage, and how the kids get knowledge about, and how the skill got grown used to those projects. So my basic idea is to derive an application which will help them to find a relatable product for them. So they can easily search and find the product, and they can buy a product using this, and moreover they can get an idea about each skill and how the skill will enhance their growth, and which are the products which suitable for the particular age group. So I'm deriving this as a solution as well as the knowledge base for them. So this is my application home screen, and this is about my project. So 4 to 5 hours of screen times has been affecting the kids' problem solving and their thinking ability by 25%. So to avoid this, we are creating an application which will help young moms to engage their kids. And while I'm doing this project, I have met with a different kind of people, working moms, homemakers, as well as the businesswomen. So most of their issues are they are not able to find the relatable products, because they are buying some products using the Amazon or some e-commerce apps as well as the social media influence. But the thing is, they are not getting the product which they imagining. Actually, the kind of the product information like product size, product quality, and the product usage description, most are not available for them. So they are facing difficulty to when they buy a product also, they are not able to comfortably use that. So to fix this issue, I have come up with a solution. I have designed this project based on the user inputs. My design journey starts here. So discovery, I have followed a 6-step design thinking process, which is starts from discovery, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. In my discover phase, I have started with the user journey. So I have analyzed with the user's perspective how they are using previously before Thrive, how they are using apps to find the products for their kids. So they have a lot of difficulties while finding and curating the products and the skill-based information. So after Thrive, how they have been used, I have explained that also. So user research, I have engaged with them, and most of their pain points is for the skill-based section, skill-based curation, and the age-based filtration. When multiple e-commerce applications are having they are selling the kids products, but the issue is they are not able to these products are one among their products, so they are not able to curate, and they are not able to specifically find the product which they require. And the searching, they are also having a multiple difficulties. So they said that they have a difficulty in filtering and the age-based suggestion and knowledge-based, as well as they have a limited time and limited suggestions also are available. So they facing difficulty to find and curate the products. So based on my user journey, I have decided to give a proper curation option, as well as the age-based suggestion and skill-based recommendation. And here I have most of the user pain point is to have a product size description as well as the demo videos. When they buy a product, they are not able to use how they wish. So I have added a section where I have included user product demo videos, and I have particularly designed this to add a few main features to explain fulfill their thoughts. Like my each section will have a product material, size, description, as well as the photo, as well as the video, and the benefits, how it will help the kids. So I have covered these pain points in my project. Done a user research with through 3 different people. So based on their inputs as well as their brand and how they're using buy the products, I have incorporated that also in my project. So this is my empathy mapping. In my empathy mapping, most of their issue is filtering and age-based suggestion, those things only. So I have simplified my app where user can enter into the landing page, and they can navigate to the explore section as well as their home page. And once they need to buy a product only, they need to log in. Or otherwise, they can use the first 2 sections without login. So they can navigate and they can explore the products. Once they wish to buy, they need to log in. Otherwise, there is no requirement for login. So based on that, I have structured IA and user flow. So from this stage only, the login comes in. So cart as well as the account section only, they need for their login and all. So this is my low fidelity screen, and this is my mid fidelity. And Typography and font. Actually, I have used a Poppins font, which is more readable and more convenient, and sans serif font I would like to use, so I have gone with it. And I have used this purple color mean for it's a trust and a child product, and it is used for a young moms. So this color will be more suitable and interesting for them. So I have used these colors. So that's it. This is my components, and these are the icons which representing each skill how they search. So this is the cards and everything I have used. So this is my high fidelity screen. So when I use a login, the splash screen which comes with my brand name Thrive. So and this means the user engagement and explore growth. Symbolize that. And this is my onboarding screen, which will have three screens, which will give an idea about what is this product about. And this is my main screen where they can search products. They have 5 different kind of filtration options available. So based on skills, age, and topics. This topics is based on AI. So based on their previous buying history, and they need, when they first time go into the screen, it will ask 2 questions like.